doesn't have the controller for that one, so you can't run it.
Right here.
No, that's a different one. That one runs the loader.
Hey, our next loader is
Give you a push. Side boom you up the hills, take the grill out.
Who's enjoying that one right there?
Who's driving that thing, Lou?
I don't know who's driving. Who was driving that?
Too close.
you gonna take a run on it, Jason? Or?
Yeah, I will, but it dries out so fast that you pack it down once.
Can I drive?
Just go down below there, Lou, down that low road.
Can somebody drive the log and somebody in?
Nathan, hands off.
Yeah. Because I like logging.
See the
I
problem?
like logging.
Not enough room.
Yeah, I like logging. Is that truck supposed to dump it?
Might have to hold off on the excavator. We seem to not have a good dozer, so I'm
Is
gonna
that
have to
truck supposed to
really.
dump all that
Yeah.
stuff?
I think that's what I'm going to build next. D8
Hey, sit down now.
thing, old style.
I'll do a nice 6 with a 6-way on it,
Yeah,
so I can build
cool.
some nice roads.
This is 8.
Maybe I'll actually put like the one I ran in Nova Scotia with the laser system on. I can make it fully operational on its own.
That'd be
We
cool.
just set up a couple grades and we can do it on its own.
What you say?
I can do this now.
Stole the map nighttime.
Need a couple of rubber stops on your bumper. You know, push you.
Yeah.
You want
Figured I could stick the excavator bucket through the grill there and give him a shove.
Steal the map tonight.
Can't lift any higher, Lou. Spilling it everywhere.
Is he done that?
My hydraulics are getting slow, it feels like. I think this motor works better though for getting life out of the battery.
Oh yeah.
That's torque hunter or whatever that I bought off Richard.
Oh yeah, for the pump.
Yeah, seems like it works longer.
Go ahead, Luke. Motor to the left.
Nathan, this side of the
You probably got enough tires kicking around there with rock crawler stuff that you can make one.
Well, I got
Two dump trucks are gonna be there at the same time. Oh, I think the orange one goes there.
a lot further away this time.
Yeah. Is that a Lionbach pump too, Lou?
No. This is, I think it's made by Jung, but Grotner, remember Grotner?
Right.
They made a loader, a lighter loader at one time,
Oh yeah.
and
Heather had a flow of
You guys have the controller to the
anyways,
loader.
Oh, Jesus.
it's a pretty high pressure pump because
That was a little close. Tooth to the head.
Here's the sticks.
So anyways, it's a pretty high pressure pump because it's like I had it in the dozer at first,
Right.
and I didn't have a pressure relief valve, and I exploded those little hoses like nothing.
Right.
I bottomed out the cylinders on it, so I ended up making a pressure relief valve.
Gotta get that log truck over there.
Wrecking the Pacific, Lou. At least it's your own truck you're running into. Some grass ended up on the field there.
Look at there's grass.
I'm interested. I should just get my Tiger Cat finished. I'm interested to see if that pump that my father-in-law made there actually survives any length of time. Should. But I thought you were just gonna drive over with that man truck you got. And now my hydraulics went to sleep. Oh, there they go.
How down can you eat?
Oh, wake up. Oh, it's having a nap again, Jason.
I'll ask him.
It's working pretty good. Now it's doing.
Why you
There it
can't
goes.
use that one? Why you can use the other truck? Never mind.
Oh, that sounds good.
Why you can't use the wagon truck?
Because it's about, don't have the radio.
You want to push it.
Oh, you're waiting on.
That's smoothing up, right? Just trying to get it spread out further out to the end there so that when Lou's parked there, he's not so sideways. But where are you going, Lou?
I'm making my own road. This thing will just go anywhere.
I drove down there with my cat, but I don't think I'd be brave enough to do it with my truck.
See, look at it. It's just like.
You know what they say?
You're gonna roll it again.
Roll in a mud hole. Looks like you're trying to dig one there. Courtney is next up there.
I love him. I love him.
More entertainment than at the truck show.
Yeah.
I think I might have got that on camera. Not making money now. It's gonna take 3 scoops.
Can somebody drive that logging truck?
Which one? The one with logs on it, or the other one?
When is the log?
Jeez, I have a chain in the.
You're gonna have to start towing it pretty soon, though.
I have a chain where we could pull the auto car up. Oh, he's doing pretty good now.
Who controls this one? You guys have the controller to the...
I'll run it after in a little while.
Can somebody control this?
Well, at least the ADT's working
Yeah,
pretty good.
but I have to break that logging truck. They don't have their remote for it. But
I
maybe
wish
that one.
I'd like to find a
That one
substitute
is
for
there.
those
Hey,
saber
stop it, stop.
I've never had any problem with them. That's weird.
What? Hey, what's
But they
that?
don't have much of a.
That's...
I find like they don't have enough BEC. Enough
Yeah.
BEC in them to run on a servo. So
battery.
Someone have to grab that log. Did you get one?
kids are getting so close here. The ribbon's getting closer and closer and closer, and the kids' foreheads are getting closer.
Yeah. Yeah, be careful.
I just about got the little girl in the head with a tooth. It was like really close, man. It was like
You gotta take
within.
a picture of that.
Joe, bud. Careful, little guy.
Well, gentlemen, thank you for coming on Sherry.
Hi,
How
Sherry.
you doing?
Hi, pleased to meet you.
Pleased to meet you too. I'll be back again. I just have a photographer I wanted to bring down to see what he's doing.
We don't know
What
what
do
we're
you
doing.
think?
Yeah, he's gone. Oh, I like loading yours better, Lou. I'm not afraid to hurt it.
Bang around.
There's the exhaust pipe full of dirt.
How does the logging truck move? What's green log? The one
What's that thing got in it for power?
that's on the log.
Got a
Can
Cummins in there,
somebody
or what?
drive this logging truck? No remote. Oh, that is.
Is that right? What size?
Green?
Like a 350. Oh yeah.
Shortcut.
Oh, I see. What's your hand, buddy? Sharp teeth on there.
Hey, look at that dump truck. Look at that back. Look at
My
that.
battery's getting a little slow.
Excuse me. Oh my God. Look at that. That dump truck's
Although, every once in a while, I think it's getting
We're
slower.
good. Did you lock the diffs in that thing, Jason?
Yes, they are.
Look at he's spinning
What did
out.
you use to lock the diff?
He's spinning out.
Yeah,
He's
take
spinning out,
the
baby.
second zero out
He's
and
spinning
then
out.
put it between the other two gears and locks the diff.
Oh, okay. I want to do that with that logger truck. I have a little.
Yeah, no, you just put another gear in. And throw it in.
Somebody please drive this.
Oh, I can't drive it all.
Someone needs to move this for me. Spin it out.
I'm surprised that it
Spin out.
steers it all with the.
I got a set of chains on the Pacific.
Uh-oh.
We're drying out again. We're getting really dry.
Yeah, we need a water truck.
You know, Mike, see, I built my Hitachi around those tires.
Right?
So it's more like 1/12 scale.
Yeah, it's closer to my stuff.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's closer to your stuff.
Yeah, now the pull of the
Can't hear my pump to hear it past this turn. It feels like it's going.